Hey guys, and welcome back to another Called Outdoors video. We got a little bit of a two-parter here for you. First off, we're going to do a little bit of fishing here in the creek. You got Seth with me today. I don't know if you guys remember him from the video that him and TJ did fishing in the West Virginia mountains, but if you want, click the card up here. That's a great video if you like fishing, especially catch and cook. It's great food. So we're fishing in, I can't tell you the name of the creek because, don't want to dox myself and all that, but let's just say we're not eating the fish that comes out of this creek for sanitary reasons. So we're going to try to wet a line, see what we can do, and then part two of the video is going to be a little bit of a continuation of my last video. If you guys haven't seen it, check the card for that one. We're going to be checking the cameras that I put out about a month ago, and then we're going to freshen up some of the sites and then hopefully show you guys some of the videos that I've gotten in the past month. So before we get started, got to thank Seth for bringing this to me. Can't go fishing in West Virginia without a Tudor's biscuit. And I might be hanging my butt over a log here in a little bit, but that's all right. Something to bait the fish in, right?
You gotta keep them creepy curlies though.
It says you're not supposed to put it on skin, but I swear the best investment I ever bought for my tackle box or my fishing creel was a pair of scissors.
Right.
Seth's getting bites before I'm even in the water. That's about a typical day of fishing between me and him. There we go. Yes, sir. How high is the water, mama? You want to fish this one and I'm going up? Been a lot of critters on this sandbar. Yeah, this is what we're talking about here. Hold on. Let me spin around there. Fish on. Zoomed in, I can barely see it. That'll feed a family of 4. Now this sandbar here is a pretty cool one. This is the one last year. I got a bunch of otter videos of them hanging out. They were chilling around here in this big brush pile in this bend of the creek, and it seemed like that this was kind of one of their sunbathing spots or something. It's pretty cool. Never really seen otters a whole lot around here before that, and they wore this creek out, but the fishing's been pretty terrible since they've been in here. So we didn't see them at all this year, so we're kind of hoping that maybe the fish are back in the creek a little bit, but so far no dice. The otters are cool and cuddly and fun to look at, but when they hurt your fish, I just kind of rather them go to the next stream up, On to the next spot, I guess. I can't tell if that's me pushing air out of the ground right there, or maybe we rolled a, seems like maybe we rolled a turtle or something up. There we go. Oh, get out of the water, baby. Whoa. Son of a gun. I meant to do that, totally, you know, just totally meant to do that. Oh, lost it. You don't have a pair of pliers with you, do you? Whenever I pulled this hook out off of that tree a little bit ago, it kind of sprung the hook a bit. I don't know if that's why they're spitting it, but can't make things any easier. I think that's a log, folks. It is. I don't know if you guys can see that. I brought the whole tree with me. Whole tree came back with that one. Alright, I think I got my hook fixed, so we'll see. You can come down here and throw in this hole if you want. Okay. The 2 bites I feel like I've gotten have been just letting this thing go clear to the bottom of this hole. Yeah.
There we go.
Nice. Got fish on and it ain't mine. Yes, I know, camera. I need to change my... See, these fish been rolling in butter, I'm telling you. Nice. Let's go. I'm gonna count the one that I caught because when I dropped it, it hit sand before it hit water. But I can't count the second one. It spit the hook about halfway in. How deep you reckon that thing goes?
I can probably run it right across the bottom, but I have to go.
Yeah, in here, that's what I was getting ready to say. It's
There we go.
maybe if I tighten my drag, it'll sound a little less dramatic. Nice, nice. There, big dog. Cool. Cool. You guys see that? Look there, son. Seth is getting his fish off and I'm playing with my bait.
Not bad, not bad.
That's a pretty one. That's a good one.
Horrible release, but
I'm telling you, these fish have rolled in butter or something today.
how deep we are down around this bend. I remember catching a few out of it last year.
Walk down there with you and film it. That's what the permethrin spray was for. Boy, the sandbar I was expecting to be here isn't here. There it is, part of it. Whew. Don't drop the thousands of dollars camera in the water. Don't drop the thousands of dollars worth of camera stuff in the water. Solid ground. I always kind of wondered if those otters were going up in this thing and living.
Number 5.
He's beating me, guys. I gotta get on it. I'm ready for the next one whenever you're ready. Ooh. Onward. I'm telling you, I'm still convinced that something lives up inside that thing. Put me at 3.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's about as small as the ones you caught. Meant to do that. This is a little bit more in the sun than I thought it would be.
Yeah. How's it look on around?
Looks sunny as far as I can see.
Got a good one. Let's go. Number 6.
So the only shade is like right here in this little area. So I'm gonna try to get across this crap and see if maybe I can get over in there to cast a line. I meant to do that too. What do you guys think about doing a giveaway if we reach 1,000 subscribers? You get this nice USA basketball or a Thunder Heat fast pitch softball. Take your pick. Hey, good news for the football fans. A football option too. Wait. For our international viewers, how about a soccer ball? Wait. And for our younger viewers, how about a kickball? Alright folks, that's going to do us for part one of today's adventures, and I think we're going to go ahead and end this video right here. I did get around and change the cameras like I promised. I did get a chance to view some of the footage that we got on those cards, and I can tell you right now, I don't really want to bog down the fishing video with the trail cam content, or put the trail cam content at the far end of a pretty long fishing video. Surprisingly, Seth and I had a little bit more success than I was expecting. You know, so all the fish, they the footage got a little bit longer than we expected. So what we're going to do, we're going to take and we're going to have a video coming out next Friday on the Called Outdoors channel. Make sure you want to tune into that one, because it's going to have 5 different camera sites on it, all the ones from the original video that I did earlier this summer, and quite a bit of footage coming off of it. I'm pretty impressed, pretty pleased with what we've got so far, and can't thank Full Throttle enough. It's a big key to the success. So like I said, I really appreciate you guys hanging out and fishing with us today, and hope you tune in next week for the trail cam adventures. Until then, y'all take her slow and listen for the call.